going to be perfect, the kind of day of which I dreamed since I was small. Every home gathered round, stand up lovely in my gown. What they don't know is that I have fooled them all. This day was going to be perfect, the kind of day of which I dreamed since I was small. But instead of having cake with all my friends to celebrate my wedding bells, they made no friends for me at all. I could care less about the threat, I won't partake in any cake. Vows will be lying when I say that through any kind of weather I want us to be together. The truth is I don't care for him at all. No, I do not love the room in my heart. There is no room, but I still want him to be all mine. I must escape before it's too late.